Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Rudie. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start at the top and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start with a curve across. And then let's bring it down and curve it in on both sides. And then a curve across at the bottom. And when you're done, you should have a rounded triangle shape. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with two large ovals. And now let's add a circle inside each one. And now let's color both of the circles in black. Now let's hop up, and on top of each of the eyes, let's draw a small sideways oval for the eyebrows. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop down and let's draw the nose. Underneath in the center, let's draw a large oval. And then for the mouth, underneath, let's draw a curve over to the right and bring it up. And then let's add a small black oval at the end. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's add the pattern on the face. Let's start with a curve between the eyes here. Then underneath the eyes, let's draw a curve down on both sides. Now that we're done the face, let's hop out and let's draw the ears. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve out. And bring it back in underneath. And let's do the same on the right side. Now inside each of the ears, let's draw a curve. And then a wavy line going out. And then one more curve across at the bottom. Now top to the top and let's draw the antlers. On the top left, let's draw two lines up. And the same on the right side. And then close off the tops with a curve. Now inside each one, let's draw some curved stripes. Now on the sides, let's draw two curves going out and up like this. And then close off the top with a curve across. And then add two curves inside for the stripes. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop down and let's draw the body. Underneath the head, let's draw two small curves down. And then let's angle both sides down, meeting at a point. Now underneath, let's curve it out and bring it down, meeting at the center. Now inside, let's follow that same curve down on both sides. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the legs. Let's draw a long U-shaped curve down on the left, and the same thing on the right. Then underneath, let's draw 2 lines down, and a curve across at the bottom. Now for the feet, let's draw a curve out underneath both sides, and then a curve across underneath. And that's it for the legs and feet. Now let's hop back up and let's draw the arms. Underneath the scarf on both sides, let's draw an angle down and out. And then curve it back in underneath. Now for the hands, let's bring it down on both sides, and a curve across. And that's it for Rudie. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!